The dedications of the Council toward uplifting tribal communities and strengthening infrastructure for future generations. We express our
हमारे बीच यहाँ हैं और जो और विभिन्न
Thank you so much on behalf of entire Sri community to Sri Babu Ranjan Riyang EF sir. May I request you to come up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations.
So we got a big community hall for the Chori people, and we are also very happy from the TTDC side, especially to our Maharaj, his visionary leadership. Under his visionary leadership, we got this opportunity to open this community, means to lay down this community hall stone. In every community, we have given one each in every community. So continuously we are working like this. We want to progress all the community and get together to unitedly, peacefully we can stay for the future, for our generation. That's all I want to say. আমি এটাই বলবো আপনাদের সামনে, আমরা খুব গর্বিত আমাদের মহারাজা নেতৃত্বে আমরা এই সব করতে পেরেছি, এবং আমাদের সাথে আমাদের এক্সিকিউটিভ মেম্বার পিটিএডিসি কমল কলই, উনি এই ট্রাইবাল ডিপার্টমেন্ট ওনার হাতে আছে, ওনার তরফ থেকে এটা একটা গিফট হিসাবে আমরা পেয়েছি।